What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Curtis, and today we're out here with my family, my dad and my brother-in-law. We're gonna go hit some trails up here in Bulldog Canyon. Just a little quick one-time ripper, but let's get on the trail, have some fun. I haven't done this one in a while, so we'll see how it goes.
Is that the 360 camera?
Nah, this thing's got a lot. We're going straight through that V-notch right there.
We're going up this fucking thing?
We're going through this V-notch right here.
Oh my god, dude.
This is the life right here, dogs. You might hear some banging, it's totally fine.
Don't tip us.
We'll be fine. I've got this bitch at like 40 degrees off center. Little slider, little slider. Fender, we're fine. Well, this part's rutted out way more. We're gonna try this one. I've never done this one before.
Oh great, that's super reassuring. I'm rolling my window up just in case we tip. Jesus Christ, Kurt.
Skip plate. We're done. We're done with that line, at least. All right, guys, we're gonna hit the hardest part of the wash right here, the waterfall, and we'll see what their reaction is. So far, it's been a good trail, and I'm trying to get them to have fun. You know what I mean? Trying to show them what's going on here, and we're gonna hit this waterfall. It's a fun one. I've done this one before, but it's really fun to kind of test out new things, and we'll see how she does with these Kendas and camper. So let's get it.
Already not gonna make it on time, I can tell.
We're not gonna make it?
No.
We gonna make it. Plan. I'm gonna come up. I'm gonna try to go in between the rock.
Have you done this?
Yeah, I have. But I went over the rock last time and smacked my bumper on the corner right here.
Yeah.
So, we're gonna try to dodge that and just go straight up.
That looks so sketchy, dude.
We might have to do a little 3-point turn real quick. Once we get all lined up.
Pretty bad. I don't know if it's gonna be able to get up there, so it's gonna just...
All right, everybody, that was a nice little fun off-roading trip out here with my family, my dad and my brother-in-law. It was a fun time. I kind of got to show them like what I do and what I like to have fun on, and it was a fun time. I might try to get them an interview from them after this video is over, so stay tuned and let me know what you guys think. But it was a fun time. A couple little rear bumper damages, scratches, blah, blah, blah. The back of the bed held up good, nothing broke off. The Roam box stayed with the Velcro I put on there. And the battery didn't explode, so that's super good. And the wood didn't crack, everything's good. So that was a fun time, a nice little short off-roading video. And love you guys so much. Peace out, see you next week. I wanted to fly the drone, my new drone this week, but I need to log into DJI, so I hope I can do that. But love you guys, peace out, bye.